transform. That's the word to keep in mind as we delve into the ultimate guide to meal prepping for weight loss. This isn't just about shedding a few pounds, it's about transforming your relationship with food. Meal prepping is a powerful tool in this journey. It ensures that nutritious, weight loss-friendly foods are always within your reach, eliminating last-minute unhealthy choices. But what's the science behind it? Well, a calorie deficit is key for weight loss. It's about consuming fewer calories than your body burns, and focusing on whole, minimally processed foods can help maintain this balance. A study from the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics reinforces the benefits of meal prepping. It's not just about weight loss, but also about saving time, reducing stress, and fostering healthier eating habits. So are you ready to transform your meal habits? Let's dive deeper. Now let's uncover the basics of meal prepping. Meal prepping is more than just a buzzword. It's a strategy, a way of life that can significantly impact your weight loss journey. So, how does it work? Well, it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. First off, you've got to plan your meals. This might seem like a chore, but it's an essential step to ensure you're eating balanced, nutritious meals. Think about your week ahead. What meals do you fancy? What are your nutritional requirements? And remember, variety is the spice of life. Don't get stuck in a rut eating the same meals over and over. Now here's a fun fact for you. A study from the International Journal of Behavioral Nutrition and Physical Activity shows that planning meals in advance can lead to better dietary quality. So, planning isn't just practical, it's a science-backed method for healthier eating. Next up, it's shopping time. But before you hit the supermarket, make a list. It's an old-school tip, but it works. A list keeps you focused, stops you from falling prey to impulse purchases, and ensures you only buy what you need. Aim for whole, minimally processed foods. These are the real deal, packed with nutrients and devoid of unnecessary additives. You see, when you fill your cart with weight loss-friendly foods, you're setting yourself up for success. Finally, it's time to prepare your meals. This is where the magic happens. Spend a couple of hours at the weekend cooking and portioning out your meals for the week. Yes, it requires a bit of time up front, but think about the hours you'll save during the week. No more last-minute takeouts or unhealthy snacks because you're too tired to cook. Your meals are ready and waiting, which means you can eat healthily without even thinking about it. Mastering these basics is your first step to a healthier lifestyle. Beware, there are pitfalls to avoid in this journey. Now let's delve into some common mistakes people often make when meal prepping for weight loss. One such pitfall is falling into the trap of overly restrictive diets. While it may seem like a fast track to weight loss, it's not exactly your best friend in the long run. According to a study published in the journal Nutrients, overly restrictive diets can lead to nutrient deficiencies and other health problems. This is because, when you drastically cut down on certain food groups, you might be missing out on essential nutrients that your body needs to function properly. And guess what? This could potentially slow down your metabolism, making it even harder to lose weight. Yes, it's quite the twist. Instead, what you want to focus on is a balanced, sustainable approach to eating. Think whole, minimally processed foods that are rich in nutrients. These foods not only keep you satiated, but also provide your body with the fuel it needs to burn calories efficiently. But wait, does that mean you can't indulge in your favorite treats? Absolutely not. In fact, denying yourself the foods you love can often backfire, leading to overeating and feelings of guilt. So go ahead and allow yourself a treat in moderation. As they say, balance is the spice of life. And don't forget, meal prepping isn't just about the food. It's also about the mindset. It's about making a commitment to your health and well-being. It's about embracing the journey, with all its ups and downs, and celebrating every small victory along the way. So, as you embark on this journey of meal prepping for weight loss, remember to avoid these common pitfalls. Stay clear of overly restrictive diets, focus on a balanced approach to eating, and don't forget to treat yourself every once in a while. Remember, a balanced approach is key to sustainable weight loss. Ready for some inspiration? Let's talk meal ideas and tools. First, let's dive into some meal ideas. Focus on whole, minimally processed foods to ensure your meals are packed full of nutrients. Think lean proteins like chicken or tofu, a rainbow of vegetables, and complex carbs like brown rice or sweet potatoes. Don't forget to allow for treats in moderation, because a sustainable diet is one you enjoy. Next, let's discuss recipes. There are countless meal prep recipes online that can keep you from getting bored. You might start your day with a protein-packed egg muffin, have a vibrant chicken salad for lunch, and end your day with a hearty vegetable stir-fry. Shopping lists are essential for staying on track. Make a list of all the ingredients you'll need for your recipes, and stick to it when you hit the grocery store. This can help you avoid impulse purchases and ensure you have everything you need for a week of nutritious meals. Now, onto tools. According to a study from the Journal of Nutrition Education and Behavior, the use of kitchen gadgets can significantly improve diet quality. So, invest in some good quality containers to store your meals. A slow cooker or pressure cooker can make meal prep a breeze by cooking large quantities of food quickly. A food scale can also be a game changer, helping you portion your meals accurately to ensure you're eating the right amount for your weight loss goals. With these ideas and tools, you're well equipped to start your meal prepping journey. The journey to weight loss doesn't have to be daunting. As we've seen, meal prepping is a game changer, not just for shedding those extra pounds, but for gaining health, time, and peace of mind. But remember, it's not just about what's on your plate. A holistic approach to weight management is key. Take care of your sleep, stay hydrated, manage stress, and keep active. These elements, coupled with the right food choices, create a recipe for success. Found this guide helpful? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Remember, every step counts towards your transformation journey. Happy meal prepping!